see what he told to Parvati. Right? You are intoxicated with the beauty of your own food and are always adorned with your pre-eminent and ornaments. Your delightful, skillful is sulky mood, man. You take delight in your darling love for you and are supremely expert in the art of loving affairs. In the incomparable realm of wonderful Kunja, you are the most learned in all of love and novelities. Huh? O Srimati Radhika, when you will bestow upon your merciful sidelong glance. Yeah, why do you when 2 times?
It's saying like, oh Srimati Radhika, when? Oh when will you, yeah, when? Oh when will you bestow your mercy?
Double.
Habe Habebo. Habe Habe.
Which page? Page 10.
Nice, huh? Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur in his Stavamala Lahari described how it against Krishna is dedicated by Srimati Radhika in the Kunja of Vrindavan. Krishna once very boldly told his Srimati Radhika, O Srimati Radhika, I am very powerful because I lifted Giriraj Govardhan for 7 days and 7 nights on the small finger of my left hand. Srimati Radhika there replied with her Ratnadurya, O Krishna, you lifted only one Giriraj Govardhan for 7 days and 7 nights. But I lifted two Giriraj Govardhan for the duration of a lifetime of my faith. Decades of those who mountain where to take rest when tired. Sri Rupa Goswami Pad brilliantly glorifies Srimati Radhika's Vidabdha and exparting and subjuncting our beloved Hare Krishna in his book Prarthana Paddhati. Vaidabdha Mandala Gurum Gunagauram Manditam Vachi Prastav Dhaputam Vachi Varam. O teacher of the intelligent and expert Goti, O queen, elaborately decorate with a host transcendental virtue. O queen, accompanied by your 8 very dear friends. After second.
Chanchala Panga
Chanchala Papanga.
Panga.
Devate Esavam Gostendra Sulta Jivatu Ramantara. O Queen, you who arouses to Kesab with the force of your reckless Atlan glands. O Queen, you those are nectar Himbocrow's leaves have become the food of the Prince of Braj. in Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita Adila Krishna Raj Goswami Raj Radhikar Prem Guru Ami Shishya Nath Sada Amay Nachay Sada Amay Nachay
Sada Amay
Nachay
Nachay
Adhikar Prem Guru Ami Shishya Nath Sada Amay Nachay Nitya Nachay Is it perfect or not? We have children Chaitanya. Adhikara Prem Guru Anishishya Nath Tahar Premayana Nachay what? Krishna says, the love of Srimati Radhika is my teacher and I am her dancing student people. And her prem makes me dance various noble dances. Radhikara Prem Krishna. Everybody wants so much. Very nice. And 2 minutes. Chayona Niraja Krishna Amara Parira Nari Parvuse Pavana Parase Sachela Sinana Kari Giri Giri Gauri Parapatse Kama Sagari Kamana Koriya
Keni Badari
Beni Badrikastam Surya Prayadi Sastra Snana Kari Brahmane Karoi Dan তবু না কেউ নামে তোমার সাথে রক্তাঙ্গি দিতে হাত unknown Vaishnava Kavi Vaishnava. There are two meanings of this poem. One is called Vamabhav, submission, and another is Dakshinabhav, submission. Both moods induce Krishna to taste transcendental mellows by various manifestations of ecstatic love. The Sakhis of Srimati Radhika chastise to cunning Krishna in Vamabhav in this poem has been followed meanings. Prem depends on two things. One is called Vamabhav and is called Dakshinabhav. When hero Nayak manifests his Dakshinabhav, then heroine manifests his Vamabhav. Or when Naika, heroine manifests his Vamabhav, then Nayak manifests his Dakshinabhav. Understand or not? How do you understand?
When Radha manifests one, Krishna manifests the other?
That means when Srimati Radhika becomes angry, then Krishna very humble. Dakshinabhav comes. Humbleness means you are Dakshinabhav. What is it?
Humble is Dakshinabhav.
When Srimati Radhika, she makes her humbleness, then Krishna makes the Vamabhav. This is like opposite.
But her Bhamya is much stronger than Krishna's Bhamya.
Krishna very rare manifest his Vamabhav. Also sometimes fire in Bengali. Fire, Krishna. Maintain it all. Krishna manifested Brahmava, then Srimati Radhika, Dhammo Brahmava manifested. Radhika Slok. Venugit. Read Venugit or not? Or read?
Nothing. I'm
He
just trying to
reads so
survive
many
every
things.
day.
Huh?
I'm just trying to survive every day.
He listens to audiobook.
Adi?
And like audiobook, he listens a lot. Just tell
I
him.
don't.
Adi?
Yeah, audio, like he listens to the books on recording and then hears that. He's always doing that. I don't know why he's saying that.
Really?
I had trouble reading
Why?
because I wasn't educated very well in school.
He didn't learn to read well when he was young.
He did not use food?
It's a very strange karma of my birth. My family didn't really take care. I had trouble reading.
How do you speak it?
I just learned to speak by hearing.
Oh, you cannot read?
I can read, but it's like really difficult.
No, this one.
Purna Pulingya.
No. When Krishna played the flute, what is that?
Venugit.
Naddastada Tuduvadhajam Mukunda Vitam. Naddastada Tuduvadhajam Mukunda Vitam. When Krishna played the flute, then the water of the Jumuna was going down.
Up.
Up in the
Agitated.
sun.
Agitated.
Agitated. Then he went to serve the Krishna. They don't want to go out from the river. Only they are making the whirlpool. But Krishna did not pay attention to the them. Then they also there. So that time the water taking the flowers and what to Krishna. This movie is done. So Naddastada Tuduvadhajam Mukunda Vitam. Then next line. Naddastada Tuduvadhajam Mukunda Vitam.
Avarta
Avarta
Lakshya
Laksa Bhogavrana Vega.
Alingana
Alingana
Stahitam
Story.
Urmi Bhujar Murare Grinanti Padayugalam Kamala
Kamala
Para
Bahara. Bhujam Guranti Kamala Bahara. Kamala Bahara. Then he taking the water and make it. And took one
Lotus
and
flower.
what to Krishna.
Krishna.
And so Dakshinabharata. Okay. So this is when Krishna did, when Srimati Radhika did Brahmabhav, then
Krishna
Krishna
offering
did
Dakina.
Dakina. But most of the time, heroes Dakshinabharata. Very rare is Brahmabhav. And Pranagit also, which bhav? Krishna's Brahmabhav, then Gopis Dakshinabharata. But Vishwanath Chakravarti opposite also. Then two meanings come. Then Gopis sometimes Dakshinabhav and sometimes Brahmabhav. But Brahmabhav, this is very important. Then, because Gopis they are called Parakya, pervert mode. So where the pervert mode, there are four things are very important. What is that? Brahmata, Channakamata, Nivaranata and Durlabha. Actually, the Durlabhata. Durlabhata, this is very important. Shakya, no Durlabhata. Parakyata, Durlabhata is very rare. Not so easy to meet with Krishna. কবু মিলে কবু না মিলে দৈবের ঘটন, হ্যাঁ, কবু মিলে কবু না মিলে দৈবের ঘটন। আমিও না জানি না জেনে গোপীগণ, দুহের রূপে গুণে তোমার হরি মোর মন। Krishna says, and I don't know who are these gopis. And gopis also they don't know, and who is he. Jogmaya koribe apuna prabhu. Who is arranging this thing? Jogmaya. Because Krishna performs all his leela with his Jogmaya. भगवान भी तादात्म्य सर्वे कुल्ल मल्लिका विचरन्तु मनश्चक्रे योग माया विपासता. So now come in this way. Krishna says, Amiyo najane gopiya. I don't know who is this gopi. Our gopis they also don't know who I am. Miracle is going on. Conditional soul also these are. And conditional soul, Vriddha Jiva, they completely forget their own and identity. They giving which identity?
This body.
Bodily identity. They are one. And bodily identity they are giving. Actually, all the living entities they are called eternal servant of Krishna. And actual jivas is never bonded. And you bonded or not? You are not bonded. Just your abhiman coming.
Just thinking to be.
And
Just thinking to be, but not actually.
you are thinking,
Bondage.
but
Monkey. All of these.
but this regard Tulsidas gives two examples. As like one is giving monkey and
Potato.
parrot.
Oh,
Parrot.
sorry.
Parrot. Yeah. So those who are
Hunter.
they are hunter catching the monkey. So swing one potato to the monkey and put one narrow mouth of the
Pot.
pot,
No, pot.
but clipper, you know,
Okay.
Narrow
and put
leg.
in there.
Yeah.
Pot.
That the mouth of the clipper is one, very narrow.
Narrow.
So put the
Like his hand.
potato inside, then hiding one place. Understand? The hunter hiding one place. Then monkey is thinking, I will take this potato. So enter his hand inside the
Pot.
pot and clipper and hold the potato. But when the hold the potato, this is one.
Hand big.
Hand is
The
bigger.
hand is big, cannot come out.
Ah.
So monkey is thinking the potato
Caught me.
cut me. Actually, he is catching, but he is holding the potato.
He's sick.
And but you're not coming out. When you're not coming out, thinking, this potato catch me,
Got me.
got me. I throw the potato, then automatically hand will come out now. So in this Maya secret, these types of illusion. You are thinking I am Pandit.
Yeah.
You are not Pandit. What is that? Illusion. Asakti also. Asakti means
Attachment.
attachment. Illusion and attachment. Maya secret this illusion.
Yeah.
What the illusion? Attachment. My mother, my father, my wife, my child, even
My
this my body.
Yeah.
That is most.
This is the most
Huh?
false ego.
False illusion. Not so easy to understand this. I am not this body. Who are you? I am the servant of Krishna. This is the So these types of Maya creates these types of illusion. What illusion?
The Atma.
The potato. That is called the Asakti. Asakti there. Asakti, that attachment is the cause of the all kinds of distress and unhappiness. Answer. Not so easy. We are speaking for millions births. One is in the same cycle of repeated birth. Bodily conception will come. What the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying? Nam Vipro, Nacha Narakati. Now Vaishnu Narakati. Kintu Patur Nikram Paramananda Purna Mitabdi Gopi Bhattur. Now he is going on this. But how to realize this? I am the servant of Krishna. Gopi Bhattu Padakavalo Dasanu Dasanu Das. How to realize? This is the question is coming. Already we hold the
Potato.
potato.
How to release the potato.
Very sticky potato.
Eh?
Very sticky potato.
Someone put glue on this potato.
Glue on a potato.
Someone put nice salt on the potato.
Eh? That is called is Asakti, deep attachment. First we have deep attachment with our body. That is called bodily conception. The Atma Abhiman. Not so easy to give up the Atma Abhiman. And which things also related with our body. There some what is it?
Yes.
There some which are related with our body. This is also coming step. Many also are. One tree and many roots are coming. First one root coming. Then many roots. And going very far. These are millions attached will come. So sadhu is what he is doing, cutting. One roots. Sorry, what are you doing?
Mister,
Cutting this.
this you can't cut.
Sadhu, this is doing. Cut. Not, and their roots are very strong.
And a sharp axe.
Powerful axe. So Tulsidas giving very this example. Or another example also giving as like
Parrot.
parrot. The hunter showing the very nice wood pomegranate. You know? The parrots they like to eat the
Pomegranate.
pomegranate. Very nice, beautiful reddish color. So put on the hunter making one wheel. Wheel and something. Put one rope in the middle of the wheel and do this. And put some and seed of the pomegranate. Very nice. Then parrot sit on the wheel. And automatically what? Wheel
Moves down.
move down. This way. Up. Then the parrot hold the wheels with his
Claws.
No,
Claws. Claws, yeah.
claws.
Yeah.
Understand? And you fall down and it's making a
Hanging.
And that time the parrot is thinking, this wheel
Caught me.
got me. And you open your clutch, then you can go. But he also will do that, then will do. So two examples I give you. In the same way, conditional soul, as I am bonded. Actually, we are there. Atma is not bonded. Atma always free. Because Atma is chit vastu, transcendental. Understand? Maya cannot touch the
So,
soul. But Maya is illusory potential. Maya duty is this, just create the illusion. Understand? As like ghost. Ghost, witch.
Right, and Shamrani Didi always uses this example from Prabhupada Swami Maharaj. He said, "Oh, I am a ghost. Everything in relation to this body is mine." He always says like,
Ghost or witch. Have you seen witch or not? No. You see no see witch. Witch, that is called Sattva. And manifested the same your form. You understand?
Which manifesting same.
Same your form.
yeah, your own form.
And hide to you. And she is
Oh, so my
staying
form.
in your house.
Ah. And she's hiding.
Where she hide you? Where?
She
In
manifests
any
your
place,
form.
in one place.
And she's hiding.
She
No,
becomes
no,
you.
no.
She becomes
Yeah.
you.
Like a
She
all
become manifested your form.
form. Yeah.
Okay, your wife form manifest. She is staying in your house and working everything. And your wife, she is where? Another place. Hiding another place.
Wow.
You are thinking this is my wife. She is not your wife. Just she is taking your blood, sucking the blood. Understand? Very difficult to recognize. That is called Sakshuni. Many kinds of ghosts, many types of their
Activities.
what is called? Past, ghost past.
Oh, okay.
Many
Different
types.
varieties.
Many types.
Casts
Many
of
types of
ghosts also.
Wow.
Besides
Pisachi, different. Different ghost. Ghost also good. Not good, but good.
less better. So,
But others they are very
dangerous.
dangerous.
She'll take over.
ভূত দেখেছেন? কোথায় দেখেছেন?
দেখিনি শুনেছি।
দিনের বেলা শুনে, রাত্রিবেলা যদি শুনে না ভয় লাগে। আর লাইট জ্বেলে শুনতে হবে। বলে ঘুষ এমনি দরজা এমনি দরজাটা যদি ঝরঝর করে দেওয়া মরবে এই বলে ভূত আসে। You sleeping alone or not? Sometimes you are. Ghost not coming.
I don't think so.
You are chanting holy names. Those who are chanting holy names and keeping tulasi mala, ghost will not come. 100% guarantee.
The ghost of
If ghost will come, that means again the ghost is coming for how to
be delivered.
eh,
To be delivered.
to be delivered.
That happened to me one time. I was up on the lake, and I woke up and I saw one looking at me in my car. And I started chanting the Sringadev and went back to sleep. And then my friend told me that someone died in the lake like a month ago.
One is doing fire sacrifice. One devotee's house. Mathura. You are there.
Yeah.
And fire sacrifice. Then there is one, what is called? His sister, who is the owner of the house. His sister. Then suddenly she fell down in front of fire sacrifice.
Wow.
Very close to fire sacrifice. Then, that's what is speaking. That language is speaking.
Convulsion. Seizure.
Like that. Yeah. Movie.
That time that the many people also crowded. Oh, and nobody can also control to her also. She is very skinny body. And no one can control her. Maybe 5 or 6 ladies
And to hold.
can control to her. Right? And what to do? Answer to how, what should they do? I don't know what their language speaking. Then they were able to go, Maharaj, the ghost is there. I took water. Nishima mantra. Then, oh, I'm going. Ran.
Wow. She ran herself.
Huh?
No, no, no.
No. It's
Just the
ghost. Ghost possesses what is that time that person is not speaking. Who is speaking?
The
Ghost.
ghost speaking.
And mouth is everything is what?
Controlled, yeah.
And ghost speaking. And then after a few minutes, again not come back. She told again I will not come. Tell you. Understand? Nishing mantra is very powerful. If you chant Nishing mantra, ghost will not come in front of you.
What Nishriga mantra?
Couple
Huh?
of times.
Which Nishriga mantra?
Nishing Kavach mantra is very
It's very low.
huh?
If you do it once, you go all. It's like a shield.
And then you have to know how to
You
pronounce
chant
the
holy
words.
names. Holy names is important. Huh? Same Nishing of the manifestation form of Radha and is what is called Krishna. Krishna manifestation Nishing Hare Krishna.
Radharani is more fierce than the Shringan.
Faith in huh? Then everybody becomes surprised. The ghost will come. Then when everybody asks to her, hey, what happened? She said, I don't know anything. But you talk to Didi, well, no, I don't know anything. Huh? Ghost. So for the Pisaji Pailejana Madichanna Mayagrasta Jive Seva Chaitanya Chaitanya. Then if the ghost possesses someone's body and he is not speaking, who is speaking? Ghost speaking. But he's then people think about this person is speaking. Actually, who is speaking? Ghost. Huh? So the Pisachi Pailejana Matichanna Hoy Mayagrasta Jive Seva Condition of soul mind is. So what do how the ghost will go? Bhramite Jadi Sadhuvaidya Pai Tahar Upadesh Mantre Maya Pisachi Palai. Chaitanya Chaitanya. Read or not? Bhramite wandering in the cycle of repeated birth and death. When you receive Diksha mantra from Guru and chanting holy names, then the ghost will be back. Also, my Guru is Bhavan Goswami Maharaj. Many times he also delivered many ghosts. The ghosts are coming and we go. We go. And Ramanujarya also. You listen?
Yeah, I know that.
Ramanujarya life history.
Yeah,
Huh? Ramanujarya he delivered many ghosts.
There's one princess.
Huh?
He delivered one princess,
Princess ghost.
and then the king was really happy.
His ghost coming. Huh? You have ghost or not? Huh?
I think we all do.
Huh?
We all have some sort of ghost.
No, you have no ghost.
Not everyone.
If you put Tulasi, 20 mala, ghost
I'm
will
good.
come. Ghost not. Another thing coming, there another thing.
Many other things.
Another
Many problems.
another problem, not ghost problem.
You were the ghost.
Huh?
You were.
You are the ghost.
You are.
Jiva Bhuta Maha. Mamai Vangsa Jiva Loke.
Jiva Bhuta.
Jiva Bhuta Sanatana. You are Bhuta. You are Bhuta or not?
Yeah.
He is saying no.
Yeah, but a human living entity.
Living entity.
Jiva
Bhuta means
Bhuta.
living entity. Bhuta means ghost. And Bhuta means living entity. Huh? Understand? So Atma, that is called pure. Huh? Understand? These are things. Actual Atma soul is always
Pure.
pure. Yeah. Just you forget to Krishna, what is the illusory potency of Lord? And she creates these types of illusion. Maya, two kinds of activities. Listen very carefully. What is that? First there is called Avaran Atmika Bhakti. What is it? Avaran Atmika Bhakti. A tendency to create the covering our this soul. And Avaran Atmika Bhakti. And soul in this body or no? So this is the Avaran. Avaran means covering. And now soul covered with two bodies, not only one body. One is called subtle body, another is called gross body. This body is called gross body. Understand? And inside another body, that is called subtle body. Man, buddhi, ahankar. Mind, intelligence, egos, and heart. Man, buddhi, ahankar. So in this is what? Then Atma soul will be there. Then Mayadevi is another also. She is very nicely packing. Packing understand? Packed, very nice, beautiful.
Nice parcel.
Nice.
Parcel.
With a bow
Going
and
parcel anything? Packing very nicely.
Collecting box.
Very big box.
big box, nice
Big
bow.
box and very attractive. Maybe one this small was you are sending one country by one person and big box. And very nice, beautiful. This. And also binding with the 3 ropes. How many ropes?
3.
3 ropes. Satta, Rajat, Tamas. Binding very nice. Very nice, beautiful painting. Understand? Outside is very nice, beautiful, but inside only small. But the outside very nice. Or this body will be. And she gives many kinds of egos also. Ahankar. First giving egos, the bodily conception. Dhyatma. I am man, I am a woman. Coming or not? I am learned, I am scholar. Coming or not? You are saying, you are saying, I am not, you went to school or not?
Yeah, but weird. My family moved and everything. Not continual education.
Continual education.
No, it was like,
Sometimes going, sometimes not.
yeah.
Why not?
Because my anyway, I don't want to tell my whole history.
No need history.
Yeah.
Amara Jivan.
Huh?
Amara Jivan. His own life history is talked.
Yeah. I write one song.
Okay.
I write a bhajan. I write a bhajan.
আচ্ছা করতে আমার জীবন সদা পাপে রত নাইক পুণ্যের ঋষ হরিরে ভুলে দিয়াছি যে কত দিয়াছি জীবের ক্লেশ Dr. Singh or not? Very nice. His own life. Actually, this is his humility. He did not commit any sinful act. But he's saying, Amara Jivana Rava. This is humility. Daina. Vaishnava Daina very difficult to understand. So don't you think Vaishnava Daina, humility, this is not true. And that is for others. You understand? What is it?
Vaishnava Daina humility is to show for others example as how to perform sadhana, in what mood.
So Atma is your Maya is then Maya's first activity that is called Avarnatma. Avarman covering. Now soul inside this body. Gross body and subtle body. And packing very nice. Then Maya's second activities, what is the second activity? Oh, Viksep. Eh? Viksep means to throw. Eh? Now person is coming. From Shakti to coming, this material world. Eh? Let's go Viksep. Viksep means to throw. Mayadevi she throws to us. Now coming here. And completely forget to Krishna. So saying this, Krishna Bhuli Seiji Anadi Vaidhi. Anadi, unlimited time. There are no historical dates. When we have come in this life. Then always one. Every life we give up our this gross body. But subtle body not give up. You understand or not? We give up this gross body. Every life. When we die, then give up this gross body. But subtle body again going another enter in another gross body. This body. How miracle is going on this? Every life we give up this gross body. Sometimes male body, sometimes female body, sometimes going animal's body, sometimes going cat's body, bird's body,
Worm body.
huh?
Worm body.
Worm body, and this is miracle. But in this way, wandering the cycle of repeated birth and death, when we will meet with Sadhu Guru Vaishnava, and chanting holy names, chanting Nam mantra, then soul should be realized. And open this. This is the process. So for this we are talking. How to realize these things? Atma Anubhava. Vareva Atma Drashtavya Shrutavya Nididhyasi. You try to realize yourself. Who am I? I am not this body. I am the eternal servant of Krishna. Jive Sarup Bhai Krishna Das. Then if you read this Katha, Hari Katha, Sinnatang Sakatha Krishna, Unna Shravana Kirtan, Tandasto Javadrani Vidhunuti, Vidhusatam, Nasto Prayesu Abhadresu, Nittam Bhagavata Seva. Nittam Bhagavata Seva. Two Bhagavatas. One is called Grantha Bhagavat and is called
Bhakta
Bhakta
Bhagavat.
Bhagavat. Every day start two Bhagavatas. There is Grantha Bhagavat. And another Bhakta Bhagavat. Bhakta Bhagavat is Vaishnava. Vaishnava Seva. Prabhu Kai Vaishnava Seva Nam Sankirtan Dui Karo Sigra Pavi Govinda Charan Mahaprabhu. Very simple. Prabhu Kai Vaishnava Seva and Nam Sankirtan. Third Vaishnava. And chant for it. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Guru Bandhu Goswami Maharaj, he gave very nice, beautiful katha. Read his book. And one Vaishnava, Buddha Vaishnava. He was going and midday and very hot. He was going one place to another place. In the middle, on the big field, If you go India, especially in Bengal, if you go Bengal, then you get many rice fields, And especially, and what is called? Summertime. That time that field completely what? Dry. And that field completely Nowadays also many culprits, but before no. That field completely empty and dry. He was going maybe 1 or 3 kilometers. He was walking on the field. That's it. And that Vaishnava is chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Our midnight famous. He has no any umbrella. Right, I don't going. And so much sweat dropping from his body. That Vaishnava is thinking, oh, I want to drink water. And there in the wind, that time 3 bhutas and ghosts, they noticed. The 3 bhutas is thinking how to serve this Vaishnava. Sometimes good bhutas over there. Sometimes Sattvic Guna bhutas, sometimes Rajasic bhutas, sometimes also Tamasic bhutas. Understand? Those people are doing bad karma, bad karma, good, bad things, they will become bad ghosts. Some ghosts are very Pharisees. There is a Tamasic ghost. As I Guru Gandhi Goswami written, read this book. Tamasic ghosts. Some ghosts are very aggressive. As are many people also, it is. And so, but that ghost, that 3 ghosts are ghosts, that is called Sattvic ghost. What is it called?
Sattvic.
Sattvic ghost. That I'm thinking, oh, he is Vaishnava, so I have to serve. Then the ghost in the middle of the field manifest one very nice, beautiful, as like banyan tree. Banyan tree, understand? But that Vaishnava, he does not know. He thinks, oh, here is very nice, beautiful banyan tree. Then he sits it. And then another ghost manifests one for human being and bring water, give water to him. Another ghost manifested and the human being brought some fruits and give to him. And then the Vaishnava taking rest under the banyan tree and ate fruits and drinking water. Then after 1 or 2 hours, you think of very nice, taking rest. When about sun goes down, about 4 or 5 p.m., and that answer there is no banyan tree is nothing. Complete, that place is completely what? Empty. Who is this? That time that person, hey, who are you? Who served me? That time that 3 bhutas came and told, hey, actually we want to deliver what we need. We, according to previous karma, we became ghosts. That Vaishnava told, okay, you served to me and unknowingly, now we do. In the same way, our Gurudev Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, he told, before he was travel alone, no any sevak, nothing. And especially in Assam, you know Assam? Assam in India. Assam,
Near Bengal, north of Bengal. Assam.
India, Assam is another state. Bengal is one state. So, my Gurudev was preaching, going alone. And we went from then, and that place has many also ghosts are there. So my Gurudev, he came in that place, and he was going to one devotee, invite to him. Tell Maharaj, come in my house. So my Gurudev, he came his house. And that time, that householder, they also cooking for Gurudev. My Gurudev was sitting outside. Then suddenly one person came. He told Maharaj, please come my house. And my son is very sick, just to give blessing. My Gurudev is very simple. If anybody call him, he will go. He never tell, I will not go. Negative words will not come. If anybody Gurudev come in my house, he will go. And immediately, now, yes, not so. So, that person he called, my Gurudev. Gurudev, okay. Pretty simple way, he's saying, and that person is saying, just 1 kilometer. Then go 1 kilometer, nothing, no? 1 kilometer. Then, so he arranged one horse cart. You know horse cart? And Gurudev visited and he drove the horse cart. And coming in his house. And going. And coming his house. And he saw this. And then his son is laying down. And then Gurudev chanted this mantra, Swasti mantra, you know. Om Swasti no Govinda, Swasti no Chitananto, Swasti no Vasudeva, Vishnu Dadhatu, this mantra. And giving some flowers. He also some flowers and giving mantra. Then he gave lot of fruits also. And again he was okay now. He turned back. He also back my Gurudev and lot of fruits. And here the householder cooking of the Gurudev, where is that? Then after 10-15 days Gurudev brought lot of fruit. That means asked the Gurudev, why have you done? Then one person came and he told me, come in my house, and so I went, and his son became very sick, so I give this to him. Gurudev, no, that's a ghost. But why you go that place? That place is nothing there. Actually, that place completely what? Cemetery and place, you know?
Wow.
Huh? Then the ghost delivers me. So in the same way, Bodh Govinda Goswami Maharaj told this story also. Some ghosts also, they are called Sattvic ghosts. Then these are Vaishnava. When these are Vaishnava, so this is called Bhagavad Seva. Two kinds of Bhagavad. One is called Bhakta Bhagavad and it is called Grantha. God always give intent to serve Bhakta Bhagavad. Because Grantha Bhagavad, you may not understand what is the perfect meaning of Grantha Bhagavad, slokas. Chaitanya Charitamrita explain this one. Bhagavad is Bhagavan Vibhu. Bhagavad Vibhu. Prati sloke, prati akshare, nana artha paye. If you read Srimad Bhagavad, same slokas, many meanings will come. So how to know which is the perfect meaning? Bhagavad Vibhu. Prati sloke, prati akshare, nana artha. Atma Ramascha Munyo Nirganta Hari Urukram. This is Srimad Bhagavad. Sarva Bhattacharya, Mahabharata, Parsi. He explained 9 meanings, just every one sloka. A one word. Read or not? Chaitanya reading or not? Read this. A same sloka Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained 18 meanings. A same sloka Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained to Sanatana Goswami Pad 64 meanings. One sloka just. Atma Ramascha Munir Nirganto Hari Urukrame. Read this slogan now. Read this. Nice one. Intelligent or not? Learn. Learning or not? Learn. Who is learning?
Yes, something.
What is this slogan?
I don't know that one.
Learn this slogan. Atma Ramascha Munya Nirganto Hari Urukrame. Urbantu. Okay? Tata Gunam Hari. Atma Ramascha. This one. Srimad Bhagavatam.
What's one meaning of it?
Huh?
What's one meaning of this shloka?
Atma Ramascha Muna. Atma Ram. Yes, the Lord is also Atma Ram. Atma Ram is not one who completely absorbed his own Atma. Not attached to anyone. This is called Atma Ram. Atma Ramascha Muna Nigunto Kopi Urukrame. Kurbantu Pahitu ki Bhakti Vittam Adbhuto Gunam Hari. Atmaram, the person who take pleasure in being and transcendently situated in the service of the Lord. This one. Lord is right. Lord Chaitanya, there are many meanings. Atma, there are many meanings of Atma. Atma means soul. Atma means body. Atma means mind. Many meanings come. Atma means soul. Atma means body. Atma means mind. Many meanings come. So if you read alone Bhagavatam this sloka, then which meaning will come?
Body.
Atma Ram.
So for this Shastra saying, Jaha Bhagavat Paro Vaishnava Sthane Ekanta Asray Karo Chaitanya Charane. You completely surrender Lotus Feet Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and read Shastra Srimad Bhagavatam under guidance of Vaishnava. So Vaishnava Seva. Vaishnava Seva means you listen Hari Katha. This is a Vaishnava Seva. Understand? Huh? I am speaking Hari Katha. All you are Vaishnava. So I am serving to Vaishnava. Huh? You understand or not? Very difficult to understand. Speaker and listener both are serving. Shravan Seva, Kirtan Seva. Vaishnava philosophy, this way that is called Seva. What are you doing? You are listening. Shravan Seva. What is it? Shravan Seva. You are speaking Hari Katha, that is called Kirtan Seva. You understand or not? Kirtan Seva.
Many people are saying that they're not qualified to speak.
Huh?
Many people are saying they're not qualified to speak.
They mean speaking what?
Like, okay, program needs to happen, right? So then when you do assembly sadhu sangha, they don't want to speak. They say, no, I don't want, I'm not a qualified.
Okay. What is you are qualified to Mandarin speak. Okay, speak Mandarin speak. Yeah, Pagal. Pagal people can be. This is not their, they are humility. Daina is what? When you come in the stage of Prem, that then Daina will come. Before is what? Not Daina. This is called one type of also falsehood. Because he is a very humble. This is not humble.
This material body can't tolerate praying. So once we attain praying, we leave this body. So how do we attain humility only at the stage of praying if we leave the body?
So you come in the Prem first stage is called Shraddha. Then Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajan, all these are the coming in this way. And Understand this? When you chanting holy name, then atasya krishna namadi no bhaved grajya indriyai sevan mukhi jihadu swayam spuratit-tada. And this is true. Holy names, there is a transcendental. How you chant holy names? So you cannot chant holy names. Mukta kolai upasamana. Who can chant holy names? Those who are liberated person, they can chant holy names. Okay? Understand? So what you will do? If you say, I am not liberated, so how will you chant holy names? What will you do?
Try.
But holy names, you chanting holy names, then all your anarthas will slowly removed. This is the process. Tadatmika bhav will come. Right? Tadatma means oneness with the potency of Lord. That is tadatmika. What is it? Tad atmika tadatmika. Tad vastu. And will be 1.8, 1.8. Oneness with the potencies of Lord, Shakti. They give an example. Iron. One iron stick cannot to burn anything. What is the iron stick? No.
Wooden stick.
This iron stick. Okay.
Iron.
This iron stick. This iron stick cannot burn anything. Burn or not, look this. But this iron stick put in the fire. This is the potency of the fire. Agni Daika Shakti. Will come inside or not? You understand or not? But this iron stick which is completely red, iron, here the fire inside. You put this, it will be what? Burn. This example is giving when you chanting holy names and practicing devotional service to Lord, then all your senses will become tadatmika with the oneness of Lord. You chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then though your material tongue, material tongue, chanting holy names is transcendental. So again and again in chanting, then your tongue will become tadatmika will come. Then automatically when you tadatmika, then all your impurities will go away. Then Shuddha holy name automatically will dance on your tongue. This is the process also. Atta so far this regard Rupa Goswami wrote this verse. Atta Sri Krishna namadi no bhaved grajya indriyai. Second line, what is saying? Atta Sri Krishna namadi no bhaved grajya indriyai. Holy name is transcendental. Hari Katha is transcendental. So how would chant holy name? But again chant holy name. Then your seven mukha vritti. Atta Sri Krishna namadi no bhaved grajya indriyai. Seven mukha jihadu. Jihadu. Not only your tongue, your eyes, your ears. It will be again chanting, that is where tadatma vritti will come. Then you can listen. This is the process also. So Rupa Goswami wrote this verse, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Atta Sri Krishna namadi no bhaved grajya indriya. Holy name is transcendental. It is not except your material senses. Understand? You cannot sit, take darshan to Thakurji. How will you take Thakurji? It is Sachidananda Vigraha. Or your eyes are jada, material, inert. How will you take it? But when you take darshan, then Thakurji, by the cordless march of Thakurji, then all your senses will become purified. This is the process. So the Atasya Krishna namadi no bhaved grajya indriyai. Seven mukh vritti will come. So what is that? Seven mukh vritti. And tendency to serve, servitual mood will come. That Sanskrit word is called seven mukh vritti. You are saying, why I am not qualified. So what will do? So Gurudev, Sri Narayan Goswami Maharaj, Trivikram Goswami Maharaj. Very nice, beautiful, loving quarrel. And so Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, I don't want to listen this this katha, just you were saying, oh, this is very high level katha, I don't want to listen. And say Gopi Raj dance, why are you saying Gopi Raj dance? Because this is very high level. Then Gurudev saying, holy name is high level or not? Yes, that is Radha and Krishna. So, are you qualified to chanting holy names? Are you chanting? Are you qualified? Well, holy names is Radha Krishna or not? Hare Krishna, means Radha and Krishna, Radha Krishna. And that is means also. All the Rasla is there also. You chanting holy names means Radhe Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Radhe Radhe. Radhe Sham, Sham Radhe. Hare means Srimati Radhika. Hareyati Krishna Manam. Srimati Radhika, she steals the heart of Krishna, mind, with her beauty, with her different transcendental activities. So, for this regard, Radharani's one name is called Hara. Radharani's origin name is called Hara. Krishna Mana Harayati iti Hara. So how we chant Radhanam? We are chanting Hare Krishna means Radhe. Hey Radhe. How chanting Hare Krishna? But Radhanam. So you are not qualified to chant Hare Krishna. Why are we chanting Hare? So Gurudev is saying this. But you chanting holy names, then slowly all your anarthas will be removed. When you will be free from anarthas, then holy names automatically will have and manifest on your tongue. This is the process. And especially in Kali Yuga, Lord invested all his potencies in holy names. Because holy names is called sadhan and holy names is called also saddha. And sadhan means practice. Or saddha means goal. This is that. So chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Conditional soul means that is called Bhoga Vritti. What is it? Bhoga Unmukh Vritti. Enjoying to the sense gratification. Or when your Sevanmukh Vritti will come. Seven tendency to need is what? Sevanmukh Vritti. What is that? What did he say? Here you learn this verse. What verse? Atas Krishna Namadi no bhaved grajya indriyai. No grajya indriya, not possible to, not accept. Your senses not accept the transcendental things. This is the thing. But Sevanmukh Vritti will come, I will serve. Sevanmukh Vritti. Then Lord will accept. So, Atasya Krishna Namadi no bhaved grajya indriyi Sevanmukha Vritti. Sang was for sang eva. Sang means spontaneously himself. And chanting holy names. Now we are chanting holy names. That is, you are purified your tongue, purified your heart, purified your eyes, purified your ears. Cleaning, sadhana bhakti. What is the question?
You explained that Shraddha and Prema are like the same,
Same, that is their last day.
Yeah.
You are student. But what kinds of student?
Prema student.
You are student of Prema. But step by step going on this. Your aim and object, how to attain Prema. But you are now student.
Prem is the certificate.
It sounds like humility is based on how much faith we have also. Like that amount of...
Step by step you are going with it. This is, Shraddha is called the last fraction of Prema. What do you say? Last fraction of Prema. That is called Shraddha.
1/10.
Understand?
Hardest thing too.
You understand or not? This is the simple way. Step by step, going this way. Same milk, just condensed form and different name is given. Try to understand simple way. You drinking milk or not? Same milk and condensed. Then you say another name is giving there, more one. So now you are faith. Shraddha means faith.
Small fraction of prem.
Prem is the
last fraction.
last. Prem is the highest.
10 out of 10. Shraddha 1 out of 10.
But the ninth of the
You try to understand this. Bolo Vrindavan, we are now aparan. Jagannath Prasad, no? Okay. Chant holy names more and more. We would chant holy names, then your heart will be neat and clean. What do you say? Chant holy names, then heart will be neat and clean. And so far, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, hey, listen. What Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructed two things. Vaishnava Sevan, Nam Sankirtan. Serve Vaishnava and chant holy names. Prabhu kahe Vaishnava Sevan, Nam Sankirtan, Dui kara sigra pave Govinda charan. Okay, give to everybody. Chalo. Mahaprasadi Govinda Namuruni Govinda Punna Vatang Rajan Visasana. Okay. Sarv Guru and Vaishnava, this is enough. Then automatically holy names will be manifesting. Give water. If you're not so, always I'm saying, chant holy names more and more. If you chant holy names, your heart will be always
Neat and clean.
overjoyed. Chanting or not? Chant. When you wake up early in the morning, chant holy names. Chanting or not? Yeah. No, sometimes not every day. Sometimes every time. Sometimes you are not eating. Every day you eating or not? No, sometimes eating. Every day eating. Every day we are drinking. Every night took. Someone gave. Every day you are taking. Every second you are taking breathing or not?
Yes.
So this is a very important. Every second we are breathing. You stop breathing, then die. So in the same way, every day chant holy names. What is that?
When did you know that Shraddha came to your heart?
So what is this definition of Shraddha? Shraddha means firm faith. Shraddha sabde vishwas kahe sudhira nischay. Krishna bhakti kaile sarva karma krita hai. Krishna, not Hanuman or the Shiva, Kali, Shiva, Durga. Hey! Understand? Sometimes heavy chastise. And put in here one day, then everybody will come. Then one day we put in Shivji. Another person will say, oh, I like Hanuman. Take my Hanuman here. Another will go, I like Ganesh. And another will say, oh, I like Krishna. Another saying, I Ramchandra. Another will say, Shiva, anything. That means you have no faith.
Hindu temple.
Are Hindu, Muslim, this is not the subject. Subject is this way. Should be one pointed with Krishna. So he's saying this word. Shraddha sabde vishwas kahe sudhira nischay. Krishna bhakti kaile. Krishna bhakti kaile. This is this. If I only serve to Krishna, then my life will be successful. Not worship any demigod, demigoddess. This is very important. What is it? Shraddha sabde vishwas kahe sudhira nischay. Krishna bhakti kaile. What is whose bhakti? Krishna bhakti. Not others. Service should be only Krishna. Okay, you give respect to the other demigod, demigoddess. Hari Rivo Sadaradha Sarvadeve Sareswaro Itare Brahma Rudradha Navagya Kadachana. Don't dishonor to any demigod, demigoddess. Okay, do pranam. Hey Shivji, pranam. You are Vaishnava Thakura. And all demigod, they actually they are Vaishnava. Give respect, okay. Oye Vaishnava Thakur, Dayara Sagar, Edase Koruna Ko. Give respect. Shivji to give respect. Shivji is Vaishnava. Vaishnavanang Jathasam. But don't serve to him. Then if you servicing, then problem will come. Then you start to, I will take serve Shivji, then I will take Ganja, because Ganja Prasad is going. Understand?
Then some ash.
Ash, putting your ash. Go to the cemetery and place, taking the ash and put it. Then whole, and Shivji is all associated bhutas will come your household and dancing. Shivji will not go alone your house. Shivji saying, okay, I will take with my associate. Then all bhutas come here. So the pranam, hey Mahadev Dev. Don't criticize Shiva. Vaishnava ninda kabhu na kariba. Ramcharitamanas Tulsidas explained. Shiva drahi mama kipa na paba. One who criticizes to Shiva, he will not accept my mercy. Who is saying? Ramchandra. Shiva drahi mama kripa nahi pava. So never criticize Shivas. And the respect to Shiva just is Vaishnava. Understand? Vaishnava. Okay, you give Shivji with Shiva. That is called Sada Shiva Vishnu Tattva. Understand? Give the respect to Gopeshwar Mahadev. Vrindavanam Badipate Soma Soma Moule Sanaka Sananda Sanatan Narad Didda. You give respect to this. For this regard, Chaitanya very clearly explained. Na pujibe anna dev devi. Don't worship any demigod. One point to the Krishna. Shraddha means this way. You asked, what is this Shraddha? Shraddha is your definition. Shraddha sabde viswas. Viswas means from faith. Shraddha sabde viswas kahe sudrida nischay Krishna bhakti kaile. Krishna bhakti kaile sarva karma krita hai. You worship to Krishna, then you perform and all your activities, no need other things. So I was saying, always I am saying, my Gurudev always saying that your altar should be neat and clean. Understand? Neat and clean means only Radha Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Giriraj Govardhan. Okay. Understand? This way. Otherwise you put one stick, well this is Giriraj, this Thakurji is Lokoti, then another will be saying another. Hey, no need. Altar should be. Then you can concentrate your mind. The sanskar will come. This is the process. আপনার ঘরে ঠাকুর আছে কি না? কি ঠাকুর আছে? নিতাই গৌর। আচ্ছা। If you go Bengal, most of the people they worship Gaur Nitanta. Nitai Gaur. Nitai Gaura Nitai ki jai. Understand? Or if you come in Braj, they are thinking Radhe Krishna. Radhe. If you go Bengal people they so much attached with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And every house, at least you see, and Gaur Nityananda. Nitai Gaur ki jai. Nitai Gaur. They love Nityananda. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And that is for the Prabhu Datta Desh. You read Chaitanya, Prabhu Datta Desh. Prabhu Datta means Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is called Bengal, East Bengal. Bangladesh. Prabhu Datta Desh. Or Jagannath Puri, those who are present, they always say, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath. They are not saying Gaur Nitai. They are saying Jai Jagannath. Or if you come in Braj, Vrindavan, they are chanting what? Radha Rani, bole Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna. If you go Ajodhya, they will chant Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Ram Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram. Or if you come in Seattle, what is he saying? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah. Good or not? Hare Krishna, very nice. Jai Sachinandana Gaur Hari ki. This is good. So I am saying this. So your altar should be always
Neat and clean.
neat and clean. Not put anything. So I think we are putting here Shivji. Then another putting Ganeshji. Which one the Ganeshji? Because maybe some person say, oh, I worship Ganesh. Oh, put here Ganesh. Then after a few years, you can see this temple full of many.
Everybody. Everybody.
Everybody.
Whole universe.
All universe.
Indra, everybody.
Indra, Kali, Shiv, Durga, Shivji will come. Shivji will come. I will come not alone, but I will come with my Parikar. Only Shivji Parikar, ghost, all ghosts will come here. Whatever, they are dancing. You know?
I think Mahaprabhu is attractive enough. Mahaprabhu is attractive enough. If you just show Mahaprabhu everything.
Gaur Sundar.
So attractive.
Gaur Bhakta. He's Gaur Bhakta.
Gaur Bhakta means, those are Gaur Bhakta means Radharani is Bhakta. Gaur Sundar. Gaur Sundar, his name is Go means Govinda, Ra means Radha. You worship Sachinandana Gaur Hari. Gaura means you worship Radha and Krishna. Gaur Bhakta. Gaur Parsha. Understand? This is very important. Some Westerners are going to India and they are associated with these people, Panchvat, and go, this is very nice. Kali, many also, they are bringing and put in the altar. Kali, Shiv, Durga, Mayavad. No. Your altar should be, if I coming, okay, put in the altar. Put in the self. Okay, you have come here, sit in far. Take darshan of Radha and Krishna. Hare the Ganeshji. You put him there, up. Many Ganeshji. Okay, you take darshan.
6, 7
They are doing all thing. Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Bhajami. Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Bhajami. They do this way, but no problem. When Krishna used to go herding the cows, and then all the demigods, they also chasing behind to Krishna. Understand? Patika Vidhoi. And when Krishna, he goes to herding the cows with his friend Suvalshadam. And that time Brahmaji also taking the food dust from the footprints of Krishna. When Krishna goes, then Brahma. Understand? Then Suvalshadam one day saw, one person came, big beard. Afraid, who is that? They don't know about Brahma. And when they return back home, then Suvalshadam, they told to Mother Jashoda, hey Mother Jashoda, do you know? When Krishna, he walked in the path of Braj, herding the cow, that time one big person, and four-headed person, and big bear, and he took the dust from the footprints of your son Krishna. Then Mother Jashoda saying, maybe some ghost or something. That saying, hey Baladev, and always you will stay with my son Krishna. You protect. This is very nice katha is there. And actually, who is coming? All the demigod is invisible. They are coming and taking dust, food dust from the and Krishna. This thing also. Srimad Bhagavata explains. Read or not? Read this thing. So this is the process. Brajavasis, they only love to Krishna, Radha and Krishna. Iste sarasiki raga param avijata bhavit. Tanmay to bhavidusa ragatmika kadita. Ragatmika unisita jasa raganuga uchati. Brajavasi, they one pointed with the Krishna, Radha and Krishna, not do anything. Right? Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki Jai Jai Shri Radhe. So you should be Brajavasi. Huh? Understand? One pointed with the Radha Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Huh? Understand? What did he say? One pointed. In your house, how many pictures? Many. Kali, Shiv, Durga. How? Huh? And walking the street and go on very nice, beautiful stone. Oh, this is salagram put in there.
People do that.
How you? Pagal people.
I've seen it. It's really weird.
They are completely pagal. No. Huh? Only Radha Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Good one. Okay, now take prasadam. Chalo Balo Vrindavan Vihari.
Gurudev